What is Kyber Network? Kyber Network is an Ethereum-based protocol that allows the exchange and conversion of digital assets, like crypto tokens and cryptocurrencies like Ether, Bitcoin, Zcash with high liquidity. Kyber is similar to the OX project, but instead performs all its actions on the blockchain. It provides a decentralized on-chain exchange, but removes the order book. This gives the platform the ability to securely exchange your crypto instantaneously at minimal cost. Centralized exchanges are constantly under fire for their security vulnerabilities and slow process times. In some instances, it could take days to withdraw your funds from an exchange. Popular decentralized exchanges have their flaws as well. They oftentimes don't have enough liquidity to support active trading. And costs to change a trade can be high when the order book is kept on blockchain. If you want to find out more, head to cryptoversal.com.